we're on their turf. They're very territorial, and we want to keep them safe. We want to keep our technicians safe. So yes, putting your pets away. Sometimes our equipment, if the pets get in the way, that could cause injury to them. So we just like to have them put away.
This is the Checka Pro Radio Show. Checka Pro Joe has assembled a team of pre-qualified home service contractors to bring you the latest in services, products, and techniques. Now, here's your host, the man with a hard hat and tool belt, Checka Pro Joe.
Many of us have this question that's been posed to us here on the radio program today. It's about carpet cleaning. So I've asked my expert carpet cleaning friend, Eric Olson, to join me. He's with Safe and Soft Carpet Cleaning. And the question is what should I do to prepare for that upcoming carpet cleaning when you guys come out?
So that's a great question. A lot of people will vacuum beforehand, which is great. We do always pre-vacuum, even if you have vacuumed. We want to get as much dry soil as possible. But typically, the best thing that you can do is to move any furniture that you'd like to have moved, any kind of fragiles or personal items, so that they're less likely to get in the way of cleaning or something doesn't happen to them. So just moving personal items, any kind of fragile items, you can pre-vacuum, but we always pre-vacuum. It won't hurt. You can never vacuum too much. Other than that, we do send over our background check information for our technicians so that you know who's coming to your home and that you'll know anything about them, their profiles and whatnot. Other than that, we send job confirmation so that you know when the job's happening, because people forget and we'd like to remind them because our lives are busy. But other than that, it's really not too much that you need to prepare for. It really kind of depends. The carpet cleaning is pretty simple, but for some of our other services, there might be some more preparation that's necessary.
I'll add one more thing. If you have a four-legged furry friend, a pet, you may want to make sure they're secure.
You know what? That is a great idea. In fact, I'm glad that you brought that up. So we love animals. I have very good luck with animals, and most of the time they like me. But sometimes, when I'm on their turf, I was just talking to one of my technicians the other day yesterday, in fact. We're on their turf. They're very territorial, and we want to keep them safe. We want to keep our technicians safe. So yes, putting your pets away. Sometimes our equipment, if the pets get in the way, that could cause injury to them. So we just like to have them put away. So yeah, that's a great idea. Thank you for bringing that up, Joe.
Absolutely. All right, Eric Olson, Safe and Soft Carpet Cleaning, Boise, Idaho. If you need anything for carpet cleaning needs, they're the guys to go to. In the description of this podcast is all of their information. Eric, thank you so much.
Thank you, Joe.
Checka Pro is your local source for pre-qualified contractors. Stay tuned for more of the Checka Pro Radio Show.